We got a call about somebody pointing a gun over here.
What? Torch.
There's a torch.
Here's a torch. Look at it's in your hand right now.
Oh, it was on the dashboard.
Okay.
It's a torch. Sorry.
So nobody over here was getting robbed? Nobody here had any guns?
No.
Okay. Do you have ID?
Funny. No one's getting robbed though. Yeah.
Okay. Do you guys have ID?
I don't have it on me now.
Okay. What's your name, man?
Damien?
Huh?
Damien?
Damien what?
I didn't know you.
Because
You're not being harassed.
we have...
our job.
Yeah, I'm weapons on me, sir.
Okay, but somebody still reported there being a gun. Okay, so we gotta identify people and make sure everything's in order. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and there was other people right there over there. Like, sure.
Okay, that's fine.
They was talking when you.
We're gonna identify everybody, and then you guys can be on your way. Okay.
For real. That's messed up. Yeah, dude. For real. Like, yeah, dude, that's crazy, dude. I want the manager to come out here.
Say what?
I want the manager to come out here.
Okay, what does the manager have to do anything? Stay here, man.
Because like we're not doing nothing wrong, and the people that was doing stuff was right over there.
People are doing what?
I don't know.
Okay, then why are you saying the people that were doing stuff?
We're seeing.
Okay, so who are you, man? Okay, do you have warrants or something? Is that why you're not telling me who you are? Dude, who are you? If you don't have some felony warrant for murder, you're probably not going to jail, but I got to identify everybody.
No, I don't know.
I don't need an ID. I just need your name, man. Name and date of birth. Dude.
What?
Stop walking away.
I'm not walking
Who
away.
are
I'm
you?
asking for a J. Do you have a J, bro?
Dude, why are we doing this?
We're not doing nothing.
You are doing something. You're refusing to tell me who you are.
Shopping. We weren't doing nothing.
Okay.
Shopping.
Okay.
Paid for everything.
Then who are you? He has not identified himself either.
So I'm Sergeant Burks of the Burlington Police Department. We need your name so we can put it into our records of who we contacted, because it's not a weapons offense. We're not here to hem you up. We just have to do our job.
He just doesn't have a good history with
And that's fine.
police officers.
Yeah.
That's fine.
But, like,
You don't have to like us, and that's
No,
fine.
no,
we
like-
still have to do our job.
Yeah, it's just.
Not
Yeah.
that, you know.
Yeah, no, I like. Child police shot my little brother. Fucking, he didn't have no weapon on him. None of that.
Okay,
And I just.
but you have
like,
to understand that the reason that we're here is because what you have looks like it could have been a gun, and it was shoved into a window from what somebody else said, which is why we're here.
you know.
Because they said they're not going to arrest you or nothing.
You have warrants or something that you're concerned about? Is that the whole problem?
No, I just feel uncomfortable around cops, and I get anxiety and like
Cool.
everything.
So
I'm saying.
So
Like,
if you give your name and date of birth to the officer here, then that gets us out of here faster, right?
Yeah, it just takes him a second, you know.
yeah, I'm sorry.
Well, we can do it one of two ways. It's obstruction. They're obstructing us doing our job. All you gotta do-
I'm asking for a minute. Can you guys get somebody else's name?
I've already got the driver of the vehicle. Okay?
Okay.
You're the person that we're contacting. Because you're the person who had the item. That's what we're doing.
Sorry, sir.
You don't have ID on you?
No, I don't.
Okay. What's your name? Aaron?
Alan.
Alan?
Yeah.
Alan, what's your last name, Alan? Don't have any problems? You don't have any warrants or
I
anything?
got one.
Out of Whatcom?
Out of here.
Out of here also?
Right?
What's that?
I said, he said, as long as he cooperates with you, so you guys
That's
could just get
that's
on
what we're
with
trying
it.
to do. The faster
He's just
the
very-
faster we can
Well,
work with
because I
him.
just got done doing tribal time for Lummy.
He's
and,
done a lot of
yeah.
time, you know, like
And-
for our
I'm not
tribe.
lummy, man.
I know, but doing my tribal time got me warrants here. And because I was in Chehalis tribal.
Okay.
And then I went to Nisqually tribal, and then I missed my warrants, and I missed court up here.
How long ago?
What I do, I did 60 days, and then 6 months. So like,
How long ago did you get out?
just like
Month? 2
not
months?
even that.
Not even a
Yeah,
month?
not
even. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in that time frame, you haven't contacted the local courts?
No, I haven't been able to. I've been up Lummy fishing. And,
He's been, yeah, and if he's not in a boat, and then he's on his feet.
There we go. 69?
Yeah.
Negative, not 69. What your date of birth? You know what your warrants are for around here?
I'm not too sure. I think I had a bench one and a felony.
Do you know what for though?
I think,
Theft?
Yeah, I think one is theft.
No homicide, no.
No.
Okay.
And then,
Just, you know, like, for
and then there was like,
extensive
yeah.
history,
And then there was
crime.
like, there was a Burlington one. I mean, Cedar Willie one, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then, but my sister was getting out. My sister's supposed to go to freaking,
Yeah, any DUI
Superior.
stuff?
No.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's just theft stuff.
Yeah. And I have my driver's license.
But you don't have it with you.
I give you my driver's license number.
Oh, you know it?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it a Washington one?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it, sir?
RE.
Do you know when it expires?
No, I don't. Yeah, my sister was supposed to go to Superior Court today and get our, whatchamacallit drop, no contact order drop. And, Tribal said that she didn't, so I can't go back to the res, but I'm getting a room at our casino,
Okay.
so I can finish and get everything handled. Yeah, my bad, Peterson. It's not nothing against you. It's just, you know.
I get it, man. Like,
Yeah, well, no, because, like, and then, like, with our tribal cops and whatnot, you know, we got into a scuffle and,
well,
you know,
I'm not trying to get in any scuffles today.
yeah,
I'm just trying to make sure nobody's getting shot in the Fred Meyer parking lot.
yeah, true.
That's way too much for me to deal with. It's been a shit day.
I went to go look for those ones, I couldn't find them.
Oh, yeah, I know, because I went back there and I got it.
Thank you.
Yeah. started on. And she's like, every time one of us gets out, the other one goes back in. Good running. Good running. Yeah.
Off that stupid George.
Yeah.
So I appreciate you being very forthcoming with us. With all the warrants that you had, I still have to confirm it. That's my job, right? So we're checking with the jail right now and seeing what they're going to say. Okay. The jail was closed earlier today. All right. So I'm not going to make any promises one way or the other, but I still have to do my job.
What's the warrant against my friend?
He's got a bunch of them, but they look at all of it. So they're the ones that make a decision.
Yeah. Well, I mean, that's why we came down here, was to get everything situated.
All right.
You're good.
Good?
So, check it out. Jail's closed. Okay. So if you're really down here to take care of your stuff.
Yeah. The one lady here at what we talked to, she said email. I forget what she said the email, but I know I got an email because my sister's getting our no contact order dropped tomorrow morning.
That's the one you're in with her, right? You have an order, and she's got an order against you. Is that the one? Okay.
And she got the one where her boyfriend dropped.
Yeah.
But she had to get it dropped at municipal.
Yeah.
And then she had to go to Superior for mine.
All right. So
But
check it out. You go by Alan or Ernest?
I go by Alan.
Okay, Alan, check it. So you've got like DUI, theft, residential burden times like $25,000 warrant, all those types of things, right?
Yeah.
So if the jail wasn't closed for a particular incident they're having right now, they'd be like, yeah, dude, we got to take you. Okay? And then we have no choice in the matter. You know how this goes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You've been cooperative, you've been cool?
Yeah.
That being said, every now and then you get like this little thing that goes off that says, good day. You just got real.
Did you hear that, Mia?
Huh?
Did you hear what's going on over here?
No, I was in it. I was
Okay. So the jail's closed, so he's not going to jail. So now that you know he's not, the jail's closed, are you going to tell me who you are?
I told you my name.
Which is,
What was your name?
say, hey, who do I talk to about getting new coordinates?
He said warrants out of California. Did you murder somebody in California?
Okay.
Okay, then we're probably not taking you to jail.
It takes you down to Superior Court, which means they're the ones that got to be like, turn it off. Okay?
Do you have a driver's license in Washington State?
You just got
No,
out.
in California.
Huh?
California,
Say you're down here.
That's the only IDs you have is out of California?
Yeah.
Okay.
Was it? Yeah.
Okay. So,
Is your last name hyphenated, anything like that?
No, no.
Just straight up Damien Castillo.
CASTILLO.
And that's what it says on your California license?
okay.
DAMIO. For sure, I've been stopped before in Washington, and the warrants I believe they said I had was like was a possession and then was intent to sell.
Okay. Do you have any warrants in Washington State?
No, nothing. No.
How long have you been in Washington State?
Almost a year now.
Okay.
That doesn't change things. Okay, I'm not going to do this shit. If you don't like it, we'll take you there to talk to them. But I can't do anything about it. That's like getting pissed at the jailer because they're
Chrissy,
standing
can you check that info out of California?
Like, man,
I know.
just be straight up with us, 100%.
Do you have a middle initial?
Well, my uncle.
Middle is R. Robert.
Yeah. Take care of it. Be straight up, okay? We always appreciate it. We always want to cut folks as much slack as we humanly freaking can when it comes down to it. At some point or another, I'm not student guy raised by hands in the eye, I promise. So, if I prove you, it's not good. Alright? Appreciate you being on. Yeah.
Yeah, just waiting for a return.
What's that?
Just waiting for a return.
How's it going?
Oh,
Oh, you can?
or did you give it to him?
I went to California.
What's that for?
Last time I was still by friend,
What's your tattoo say, man?
it's my daughter's name.
Your daughter's name? Oh, nice.
Lorelai.
Lorelai. I was gonna guess Loretta, but I can only see part of it.
Yeah, they weren't the best artists.
Oh. Yeah.
We're just waiting on a return.
Good. All right, man. You guys are good to go.
Here we go.